We gather for the ones who were called the man of the house before they even had a chance to be boys. For those who learned responsibility before they learned rest. For the ones who were shaped by expectation long before they understood their own needs. Today we call their names: the known, the unknown, the remembered, the forgotten, the living, the ancestral. For the first sons who learned strength before softness, we honor you. For the boys who became protectors while still needing protection, we see you. For the sons who stepped into the role of father, brother, leader, guide without hesitation, without rest, we acknowledge your burden.